What's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another video. And right now, y'all, we already on the move, on our way to Marshall's to go pick up our last picture, hopefully it's there, and hopefully it's the last picture we get from there. I don't know, they got some cute stuff though, so I'm not gonna say it's the last time. But anyways, y'all, we already on the move because it's Saturday, and I just decided let me hurry up and get up early because I know everybody and their mama gonna be out. Like last Saturday when we tried to go get some stuff, girl, I barely could record because everybody was in there. So yeah, I was like, let me go ahead and get up early so I can get my little shopping out of the way. My husband gave me his credit card, period. So we on the move. I hope you're doing good, boo. I'm so glad to be recording this video and getting connected with you today. I hope you have a good day. I hope you eating good today, you know, feeling good, staying safe. But yeah, y'all, so we are on our way to the store right now. I'm not gonna run my mouth too much. Thank you so much for clicking this video and hanging out with me today. Let's go ahead and get into the store, and let's hope we find some good finds. Our last vlog, we found some good stuff, I think. Playground love, we grown. Alright, y'all, so we made it to Marshall's. Let's go ahead in. It don't look packed either because it's what, 10 a.m. so we did good. So okay, let me stop running my mouth. Let's get in here. These bunnies are so cute. I'm about to get one. I was thinking about getting this one for $12.99. It's cute. This is so cute. Say grateful. That one say he is risen. How cute is that? I'm going through the pictures again to get my one picture. And it's right here. They had this cute little bunny for like $3 in the dollar section, so I got it. Super cute. And they had some grass ones for $5. I was thinking about getting a Keurig machine. Let me see. Price them out. This like this got all the gadgets to it. $200. They make lattes and cappuccinos. This gold little bar set is so nice. $30. And they got the shaker and the ice tray. Perfect. And the utensils only $6, $7, $5. And they got the square cubes for the ice one. Like we got the balls that we got from here, they got the square ones too. Little dispenser, $13. Jackie think I should get a bigger cake stand, but this is just too big. I like the one I got already. So I'm sitting and Wendy's drive-through because I want a snack and I want to get Jackie some food before I go back home really quick. And yeah, so right now it's taking all day, and I called, I'm in the drive-through, girl. I called them, I called their phone like, are y'all open? What's going on? And she said, yeah, it's just two of us working today. So I decided to get on my phone and start looking at some stuff while I'm waiting on the food. And girl, I saw this cute thing. I be finding a lot of cute like Instagram pages that has like cute home decor stuff or whatever, and I'm about to put y'all on this place. It's really expensive, like let me just let y'all know that right now, but they have like cute reasonable stuff like this candle holder, and it's like, you know, it looks like a box, but it's black, and you know, I don't know, I just love it. I love that vibe. It's cute. Strawberry lemonade from Wendy's be bussin'. Well, the first thing that we got was the other piece to the other artwork we have upstairs in the bathroom. You know, the one with the face. We have the one with the body now. And this pink in it gives a little hint of feminine because the master bathroom is a little bit more, I'm not gonna say masculine, but it's not really feminine. That's a little bit of hint of peachy in there with the black and a tan, so it matches okay. Another thing that I got from, this is what I got from Target. I picked up that white little bunny that I showed y'all in the store. It was cute, only $3. And the dollar section, I'm not even gonna say dollar section because up front it be having like $1, $3, $5. But I got it up front. It was cute. I'm gonna sit this out on the counter somewhere or maybe on the mantle. So yeah, you could put that anywhere cute in your house. Another thing I got from Target was this Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub Cocoa Colada. Remind me of like pina colada. But yeah, so it smells really good and I wanted to try it out. It says made with shea butter, pineapple, and coconut. Ooh, girl, it's spilling out. I'm just trying to get a little smell. It smells so good. Next thing I got from Target was this other body wash. It's by Method Body. It has cucumber, seaweed, green tea, and it's plant-based cleansers plus good vibes inside. That's what it says on the bottle, girl. I'm just reading it. But it looks really nice, smells good. You know, I'm a sucker for a good bottle. Like, if it come in a good display case or something, I love it. I just want to try it. Another thing that I got from Target was this Dr. Teal's Epsom salt. It's, y'all, if y'all hear a noise, it's Jackie upstairs taking a shower. We about to get ready to go run and check for another mattress with my mom. So that's what we about to get ready to go do right now. But I want to show you what I got real quick. So another thing I got was this Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking for Relax and Relief with eucalyptus and spearmint. So I'm going to put this in a vase upstairs. I'm going to show y'all upstairs because I changed a little bit around because I want these 2 pots I got in mind that is at the store that we're about to go to today. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all those. But yeah, so I'm going to put this in the vase upstairs. Ooh, hope I'm not breaking nothing. This is what I got from Marshall's. This cute little display thing. You know, you put your cotton balls and your what is it, swabs and your cotton pads in there. Girl, can I talk? Put it in here. And this was only $6.99. Got that from Marshall's. The last thing I got from Marshall's was this cute little Easter egg like sculpture you could put on the table or on the mantle for the fireplace. I thought that was really cute, so I picked that up for Easter. I think that's about it. That's all we got today. We're about to go ahead and pack it up and go to the store. Oh girl, I forgot to show you. Oh, my bob haven't been lifting up either. It's still a little bounce with it. Bounce with it, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. All right, so let me show y'all real quick. This is the little display, I guess, linen basket, you could call it, whatever, that I'm gonna put in the master bathroom upstairs. Matches with our great vibe. So I'm gonna take that upstairs and show y'all that when we get back home. I don't want to go back upstairs right now. I just want to go ahead and get out the house. So yeah, we got this stuff. I'm gonna take all the stuff upstairs and show y'all. I want the all white ones. We probably can't reach it, can we? Jackie can reach it. We need the towels up there. The white ones.
What kind I used to get? The toilets? You just spray it on that boy, it will move it.
What's that name of that one? Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one.
Well, how much is that one?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's get that one, y'all. I'm almost trying to get this broom. I mean, my.
It's like overpriced too.
It's 25 cents.
It cost 25 cents?
She said it should.
Oh.
It ain't even nothing.
It's like a bald-headed witch.
Yeah, let's get that one. We already got some cleaning stuff, some towels, and a bin. We about to go to the food.
And I don't want to do that.
All right, y'all. So we made it back home. We got so much stuff. Where y'all go? We got so much stuff that we wasn't even supposed to get. The pantry is a mess right now. I got like my Easter stuff out in here and it's just everywhere. But I did get the cereal containers organized. Got the Lucky Charms, Golden Grams, Fruit Loops up there in our containers. But we gotta fix it. But let me just put this stuff up real quick. Alright, I'm still putting stuff up. I like peach tea, but I don't really know if I like the Snapple one that much, but I'm gonna try it out and let y'all know how it is. Alright y'all, so this is how it looks right here. I just decided to put it right here in the corner. It goes perfect right here in this corner too. So it just sits right there. Put our, you know, extra stuff we need inside of there. I'm gonna take this out. Well, I guess I could leave this in there for now. Maybe put it at the bottom. And then I'll put the rest of my stuff in there later. We got our little towel thing in our little tub. Looks cute. It's so funny, Jackie used one of the rags right here. And I was just like, oh my gosh, why did you use my dang on rag? It's for display. But then again, it's like, I gotta wash and dry. I can just wash it and reuse it. So it's perfect for that. So anyways, yeah, everything looks good and matchy, you know. This dispenser, it gets so dirty. I don't know why. I've washed it like 20,000 times. I'll put this Dr. Teal's in this vase, like I told y'all. I'm gonna put some Q-tips or, I don't know, maybe some pads or something like that. Not pads, but the cotton pads you wipe your face with. Probably put that in there. Yeah, y'all. So, oh, let me show you the cake I'm about to make. So only thing I need is 3 ingredients for this cake, and it is the, what is it called, funfetti cake from Dollar Tree that I've been telling y'all about. This cake is really easy to make. Only 3 steps is water, oil, and eggs. That's good for me. Now Jackie, he's a from the scratch type of guy. He can do whatever. Me, huh?
You put oil in that cake.
It's oil. Which, oh, butter instead.
So that.
He don't ever want to tell y'all his secrets. What's wrong with him? Like, he don't know y'all family. What is there? He don't want.
You want no boxes?
Put butter instead of oil. Anyway.
You need 2 boxes.
I got 2 boxes.
Okay.
Why do I need 2 boxes though?
Hmm?
Why do I need 2 boxes?
You need 2 boxes because this one box is not gonna be big enough for the store, I think.
I got 2.
It is a small cake though, so I don't know.
Exactly, it's smaller. Cause my let me show y'all. Cause my cake stand's not that big.
I still think you need 2 boxes though.
Okay, I may make 2 cakes. I don't know yet, but
you got 2 cakes. 1 box will be 1 layer.
You can't pick a 2 cake layer in this little thing.
I think you can.
I'm making this size cake, Jackie.
You got 2 of these, right?
So you basically want me to make more than 1.
Okay.
I could make this. I could make another one of these another day.
No, I'm saying.
All right, this is getting too long now. Let me go ahead now. So basically, y'all, I'm gonna make the cake, and then I'm not really gonna be doing much else. Oh, that's what I wanted to show y'all real quick. The pots that my grandma got me, which was really nice of her. She always be looking out for me when I move places and buying me stuff. But look how cute this pot set is. It's so cute. It's blue. It's like Tiffany blue, honestly, or like a turquoise or something like that. But yeah, it comes with 12 pieces. It's ceramic coated cookware set. She probably got it from Walmart. I don't know how much it is, but it looks really nice and I love it so much. Can't wait to use that. Huh?
You love it because it came from her heart.
Yeah, I love it because it came from my heart. You hit that right on the nose, babe. So yeah, love that. Another thing I got too was this little bin I got from Walmart just a second ago for like $15. Well, Jackie actually got it. And so basically I'm washing the towels and rags now to put the hand towels in here, like roll them up and put them in here. I'll update y'all tomorrow on how that looks. Well, the next video I'll update y'all on how it looks and how I'm about to, you know, put them in here. But yeah, y'all, that pretty much wraps up this video. If I did not get to anything that I wanted to talk to y'all about today, I'm definitely gonna talk to y'all about it in the next video. So yeah, thank you so much for hanging with me today, boo. I really appreciate it. You know I do. So I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. Bye. Mwah.